Number 8 wants us to find above z is equal to 0.8. So that's going to look something like this. So my lower bound is 0.8 and my upper bound is infinity. So I'm going to type in normal CDF 0.8 and then 9,999 for infinity. So if you type this into the calculator, you get 0.2119, which is 21.19%. Question number 9 says, below z is equal to 1.4. So that would look something like this. So I would type in normal CDF, and then the lower bound is negative infinity, but I would type in negative 9,999, and then up to 1.4. So this is equal to 0.9192, which is 91.92%.